Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like
The
it's gonna be
most
a bad
best
day.
kept secret
Yeah, I'm
to
tired
grow
of
long,
shit, and the
healthy
coffee
hair
ain't hit
faster.
yet,
I
damn,
found
it
this
ain't that
oil
great.
and I did a
I don't
challenge,
wanna go
and
to
here
work 'cause
is
my
my
boss is a
result
jerk
and
and
how
I'm
I
not
made it.
even
It
that
is
paid.
curry
I
leaves
need a
oil.
change
I
in my
made
life
this
'cause I
oil by
don't feel
myself.
alive and
I
there's
got
nothing
the
that makes me
leaves at
happy.
my
No,
backyard. I
hold my beer
wash
for
it
a
and I
minute. I'm about to
decided
quit my
to
job,
take up
cash
this
in for a
challenge.
ticket.
This is
I'm
my
going on a
results
trip and
after
I don't
I
plan to
finished
visit.
this
I'm gonna
challenge
stay
after
bad till
1
I
month.
feel
And
like I'm
to do
winning
this oil,
all.
we are
And
going
this
to
is
get
just the
our curry
beginning. I
leaves,
need a
fresh
big
one, or
change,
you
I'ma
can
feel
use the
like living.
powdered
I
one.
need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you
Curry leaves oil
believe
are best known to promote hair growth, prevent premature
what you gonna
graying,
do
and
for it? How you
strengthen
gonna
hair.
move for
Also
it? What you
reduce
gonna
dandruff and hair fall, especially if your hair is breaking a lot and your hair is thinning out. Please try out this oil and see the result it's going to give you. Because of the lot of antioxidants and nutrients that can nourish your scalp and hair follicles.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever
Curry
done.
leaves
But what's
are
the point
packed
of
with
living if you ain't having
beta-carotene and
fun?
protein, which
I
are
guess I'll
great for
try
hair
this, try
growth
that,
and
might
also
miss.
help
Gotta find
prevent
what I'm
hair
good
thinning.
at. I guess I look here, look there,
If
overwhelmed.
your
I'm
hair
scared,
thins
where am
out a
I
lot
at?
and you notice
I
that your
gotta make
hair
it in
is
this
no
life.
longer
Whatever
growing
makes me
fast as
happy, no, I'm
usual,
doing things
please try
right.
out this
Sipping in
oil.
the
This
summer
oil
on a
has
goose
been
and
used for
Sprite. Or for the
years.
nightclub for the end of the night. Oh, and we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you
The antioxidants in curry leaves neutralize free
what you
radicals.
gonna do
They
for
help
it? How you
strengthen
gonna
the
move
hair
for it?
root,
What you
reducing
gonna be?
breakage and promoting overall hair health. If you struggle with an itchy scalp or these hair problems, please try using this oil on your wash days. Like a people incorporate this. It doesn't smell bad. Those that have been complaining for onion juice and the rest, please, something has come that will favor you. From the promoting of the hair growth to the smell, it smells so nice. So you can use this in place of onion juice and it will work perfectly for your hair.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough
If
and
you
wanna hate
struggle
this,
with
I'll
gray
always show
hair, you
up
can
and
use
make a
this thing to
statement. I don't ever
prevent or
slow up,
reduce
no
how
I don't
much
take
your hair
shit. I
turns
got no
gray.
love
Curry leaves
for the
contains
fakeness. If you wanna
vitamins
play tough
B6,
and
which
wanna
help
hate this,
regulate
I'll always
hormones
show
level,
up and
and
make a
minerals,
statement.
iodine,
Everything I do is so
selenium,
instinctive and so
zinc, and
passionate.
iron,
Every word I
which will
move so
help
descriptive
maintain
like an
natural
adjective. I
hair
got a
color and
vendetta
prevent
against people who
premature
patented
graying.
being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection
Curry
of the
leaves can
emptiness, so
help
maybe
with
it
your
should be doing my
dandruff and
time. Or
other scalp
delirious,
issues
mysterious,
due to the
because you are about
moisturizing
to
and
make
the
it clear
cleansing
you're inferior.
properties
You know
that
I'll always
it
be a
is
bit
in curry.
superior.
You
Get
can
off
just
of
boil
me,
your
this ain't
curry
no humble
leaves, put
brag.
on
I
your
want
scalp,
you to
and
hear
the entire
words, you can
hair.
say
You will
them
also
back. I
get the
want
same
you to feel
benefits with
free
the
from the
curry leaf
chains you
oil.
last, and to believe in what you got. It was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't
Curry
ever slow
leaves are
up, no I
generally
don't take shit.
considered
I got
safe.
no
It's
love
always
for
a
the
good
fakeness.
idea
If
to
you wanna
do a
play
patch
tough and
test
wanna
before
hate
you
this,
apply
I'll
it
always show
on your
up
hair
and
for
make a
any hair
statement. I
treatment
don't ever
or
slow
scalp,
up, no I
especially
don't take
when your
shit.
skin
I
is so
got no love
sensitive to
for the
certain
fakeness.
things.
If
I
you
hope you
wanna play
understand.
tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away.
These curry leaves can also help with your thinning hair and hair loss. The leaves may also help remove dead skin or dead hair follicles from your hair. Please go out to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. Also drop a nice sweet comment to me.
I'm not giving up, no I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm
This is
chasing
my
a
hair,
dream.
like I'm shocked. I made my hair on the 18th of July and today is 18th of August and you can see the lengths I've retained. Like you can see the hair that have grown from the roots.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Make sure as you are applying this oil on your scalp, massage very well and remember to add this oil on the strands of your hair starting from the roots to the tips. Then it will be all coated with this oil and massage it properly. I hope that makes sense.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you up in my next video. So Jesus is coming your way, take it.